Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by finding the right server environment. Pick active community hubs or survival servers where players collaborate. Once done, join during peak hours to maximize interactions and introduce yourself in chat with a short bio and friendly skin. Make sure to read rules quickly so you don't break norms. This shows respect and reduces friction. Use simple, open questions to others, ask for help, or invite a build. Because practical engagement creates repeated encounters that turn strangers into known players. You now move into cooperative engagement. Offer practical help, mine resources, repair a build, or guard against mobs to demonstrate reliability. Once you've helped, propose a small shared project such as a community farm or storage chest so responsibilities are clear and repeat play is natural. Make sure to use voice or typed cues to coordinate, thank people for contributions, and assign simple roles. This creates dependency loops that build rapport. Explain why choices matter. Shared goals produce more meaningful interactions. You finish by turning casual teammates into friends. Schedule recurring sessions like weekly builds or event nights so you see the same people regularly. Once set, create a private chat or Discord to share plans, funny moments, and memes outside the server. This deepens connection. If things go wrong, disagreements, or griefing, pause, apologize if needed, and propose a clear solution or mediated conversation to repair trust. Remember, consistency and calm conflict resolution transform acquaintances into reliable friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.